Hi, my name's Nadia Dyson from Luxury Locations, and today I'm in Jolly Harbour on Harbour Island to show you Indian View. Indian View is a 3-bedroom detached house with a gigantic swimming pool and a boat dock in Jolly Harbour. Let me show you around. As you come through the large open doors, you have such a great feeling of space because they have really high vaulted ceilings. So the open plan kitchen and living room which leads straight outside. This is a fantastic kitchen. I love this island. It's got lots of counter space and you've got your double fridge, cooker and stove. And then on the other side you have another area which has got a great wine cooler. So you've got a lot of space here for entertaining. Now this kitchen then leads on to the large living area and then straight outside. It's got a really nice breeze, as you can see. The outside covered area is an extension of the living area, so you have a lot of space. You've got a nice dining table, you've got your barbecue, and then you've got this incredible swimming pool with sun loungers. You've got the views of the mountains and the other Jolly Harbour properties and obviously the waterfront. This is a brand new dock and deck for the property, and it's about 55 foot long. So with the outsides, you could probably get a 60-foot boat here. So if you have a boat or you want a boat, this is a great addition to the property. It can also be set up to have sun loungers, a little fire pit here, to have a nice entertaining space right on the waterfront. This home has beautiful hardwood doors, and outside these are shutters. So they come down, sorry, I should say they're screens. So if you want to totally enclose this area, you can do and have no mosquitoes. It also stops some of the wind when it's really windy, and then you've got a whole enclosed area to enjoy. Another thing is that you can access the master bedroom and one of the other bedrooms from outside, and that's what we're going to do. This is like a lounge area. It could be changed into office, or if you've got young children, a little room for them. And that goes straight onto your master bedroom with a queen bed, ensuite bathroom and walk-in wardrobe. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed having a look around Indian View. If you want to have a viewing of Indian View, please contact our office at info@luxurylocations.com. We can't wait to show you around.